Indoor. You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Good to see you on this Tuesday afternoon. A beautiful day unfolding, even warmer tomorrow after a high today of around 3-4 degrees in the afternoon. Enjoy the sunshine, and then overnight temperatures are actually rising. It's like the bizarro world's doing the opposite of what's supposed to be overnight. We'll climb to 4 degrees as that warm front moves through the region, and that's going to drastically raise those temperatures tomorrow across the board. And as far as our futurecast images are concerned, enjoy the sunshine today. You'll see a whole lot of it. However, we are dealing with some rain late into the evening over into tomorrow, maybe up to 5 millimeters depending on where you are. But yeah, some very warm temperatures on tap for tomorrow. But for Belleville today, for Tuesday, lots of sunshine, getting to 6 degrees, +6 that is. Now double digits for tomorrow for Belleville. You'll hit 11 degrees, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, and dropping to a high of 5, but that is still well above average for Thursday, and dealing with maybe up to 5 millimeters of rain. And for Brockville, how about 6 degrees for you today, mostly clear. 10 degrees tomorrow, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, and then back to a high of 6 on Thursday with more light rain. For Smiths Falls, 5 degrees today, mostly clear. 9 tomorrow, not quite double digits, but still close to it. 1 to 3 millimeters of rain for you tomorrow. And Smiths Falls, your Thursday, could bring a little bit of a rain-snow mix, topping out at +4. Now for Kingston, we'll get to around 3 or 4 degrees today in the afternoon. Lots of sunshine. 9 degrees for tomorrow. 2 to 4 millimeters of rain. Then back to a high of 4 on Thursday with more rain. And then we could see a rain-snow mix on Friday, and lowering to a high of -3. So what a difference 24 hours is going to make between Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday, we get back up to above 0. We should hit 2 degrees at this point under a mostly cloudy sky. I'm your buddy Bill, and wishing you a fantastic Tuesday evening. Spring giving us a little preview of what's to come with these warm temperatures. They're about to come to an end. I'll get to that a little bit later. But yeah, we are dealing with a cloudy sky overnight, but rising to +4 overnight. And we are dealing with a chance of rain for tomorrow, for your Wednesday, 2 to 4 millimeters depending on where you are. It'll be intermittent, and it'll be a quick moving system. Yeah, the sunshine today, there's those clouds, and then there's that rain we are dealing with tomorrow, 2 to 4 millimeters worth. Certainly very bearable. It'll melt some of the snowbanks that are currently out there. But for Belleville, wishing you a fantastic Tuesday evening. How about double digits for you tomorrow? Average high this time of year is around -1. Belleville could hit 11 degrees, possibly record-breaking temperatures for that date for tomorrow. 1 to 3 millimeters of rain is expected, and dropping to a high of 5 on Thursday, but that's still well above average. Another 5 millimeters to go. And I mentioned there's this warm stretch is about to come to an end. Yeah, Friday, Belleville, -3 is what the high will be, dealing with 1 to 2 centimeters of a rain-snow mix. And for Brockville, much the same pattern here. Congratulations, double-digit highs for you tomorrow, hitting 11 degrees, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, and then up to 6 degrees for Thursday. So again, yeah, not as warm as Wednesday, but still well above average. Around 5 millimeters of rain is expected, and you might even salvage some sunshine for Thursday. You are also dipping on Friday, getting to -3, 1 to 2 centimeters of wet snow is expected, and the chance of some freezing rain perhaps to end your week. Smiths Falls, enjoy 9 degrees, not quite double digits, but almost there at this point. 1 to 3 millimeters of rain is expected for you. And for Thursday, enjoy +4, 5 centimeters of a rain-snow mix. Much the same on Friday, but what a big difference 24 hours is going to make, from a high of +4 on Thursday to a high of -4 on Friday. 1 to 2 centimeters of a rain-snow mix. You're probably wondering, well, how long is this cold stretch going to last now after this warm stretch? You know what, in a day maybe is what we're dealing with in terms of those cooler temperatures, because look at what's happening here for Kingston for the next 7 days. So 9 degrees tomorrow, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain is expected. So we're not going to hit the double digits, only 9 degrees at this point. Very well could, though, hit those 10, 11 degree highs for us for tomorrow. But for For Thursday, down to 4 degrees for a high, 5 millimeters of rain is expected. Now for us, -3 is the high for Friday. So from above average to below average, we're dealing with a couple of centimeters of a rain-snow mix. And I mentioned that cold snap for Friday is going to be short-lived because we're back above zero for Saturday. We are dealing with some windy conditions to begin the weekend and a high of 2 degrees. And then we're back up to well above average for both Sunday and Monday. In fact, Sunday getting to 6 degrees, a little bit of sunshine through a mostly cloudy sky. And then, like I said, 6 on Monday with the return of rain. And then we're dipping again. Look at these roller coaster up and down temperatures here for Tuesday, a rain-snow mix and the possibility of some ice pellets. But again, a high of 2 degrees. As you look at all these numbers, though, keep in mind the average high this time of year is -1. So for the most part, our warm spell continues. Right now, we have some weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Pam's, your local florist, delivering smiles across Kingston since 1962.
I love this picture. Ken Killen sent us a bunch of pictures of this bald eagle. He said the bald eagle was fishing on Lake Ontario just west of Kingston. And I love the picture. I love how in the first picture, Ken, he's saying, "Hey, I see you there," taking a picture of me. And then in the second one, Ken, you mentioned he's fishing. I'm not sure if he's fishing, looking for his meal, or if he's just admiring himself. In the reflection, he's saying, "Hey, I'm pretty good looking. I may be bald. I'm not bad looking here. In fact, I'm the American national symbol. Hey, look at me." Either way, great photos, Ken. We thank you so much. If you have any pictures to send us, we'd love to see them. Submissions at ckwstv.com or go to globalnews.ca/Kingston, and you could submit them that way. I haven't seen any bald eagles in our region in all my time that I've lived here, so I love looking at these shots.
Yeah, you don't see them very often, Bill. Maybe it was fishing for a compliment, who knows? But still, a majestic bird of prey, and our buddy Bill will be back with the 10-day outlook a little bit later. Over to Bill now with the 10-day outlook.
Good to see you. Now let's take a look at our long-range forecast here. Yeah, I have mentioned yesterday, I'll mention it today. This is an up and down roller coaster ride of temperatures here for the next 10 days. Tomorrow, 9 degrees for Kingston. It wouldn't surprise me if we do hit double digits, maybe 10 or 11. We are dealing with some rain though, maybe 2 to 4 millimeters of rain tomorrow. And then still a high above zero for Thursday, certainly above average. We'll climb to 4 degrees and then a sharp turn on Friday. Yeah, only getting to -3 for a high, and we are dealing with the rain-snow mix. But then we're back up above zero to start the weekend, dealing with a high of +2 for Saturday. Windy conditions, though, to begin the weekend. And for Sunday and Monday, we're holding steady with highs of 6 degrees, 2 on Tuesday, and then colder from Wednesday on, -3 to -5 by Friday. Have a great evening.
Choices. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Nice to see you on this Tuesday evening. I'm not complaining at all with the weather, with the conditions. I'm loving the warmer temperatures. I'm loving the sunshine we saw today. Overnight, a cloudy sky, but rising to +4, which means a very mild morning. We do climb to 9 degrees tomorrow. 2 to 4 millimeters of rain is expected, and that rain should be falling after that sunny period today. Once those clouds move in, there's that rain. Again, tomorrow, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, but very warm. Some parts of the region hitting double digits for tomorrow, and that includes Belleville. 11 degrees your high tomorrow with 1 to 3 millimeters of rain expected. 5 on Thursday, not as warm on as you're going to see tomorrow for Thursday, but still well above zero. 5 degrees, 5 millimeters of rain, and then -3 on Friday. A couple of centimeters of a rain-snow mix, maybe some ice pellets for Friday. Much the same situation for Brockville here. 11 degrees tomorrow, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, 6 on Thursday, with another 5 millimeters, and then -3 on Friday, looking at 1 to 2 centimeters of a rain-snow mix with the possibility of freezing rain thrown in there. Now for Smiths Falls, not quite double digits at this point. It wouldn't surprise me if you do hit 10 though, but at least 9 degrees for tomorrow, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, and then up to 5 millimeters for Thursday, or rather 5 centimeters with that rain-snow mix. But a high of 4 degrees, so I don't expect it to stick around, and then -4 on Friday. A couple of centimeters of a rain-snow mix as well. Now for Kingston's next 7 days, 9 degrees tomorrow with that rain, +4 on Thursday, -3 on Friday. Yeah, things turning colder for the end of the week. And then windy start to the weekend. For Saturday, we do get to 2 degrees, and then 6 degrees for Sunday, mostly cloudy with a little bit of sunshine. Still a high of 6 degrees to begin the week with the chance of a light rain. 2 degrees on Tuesday.